Hey guys, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today we are doing blueberry jam. It's very similar to previous videos on canning and making strawberry and cherry and other things we've done, but we will go through the recipe and I'll show you how this is done. So we got these from the farmer's market today. It is fresh blueberries. You're going to need 8 cups of these, so I rinsed them off and washed them. We're going to throw them into the food processor, so all 8 cups will eventually be minced down, and then we'll throw them into our pot to begin the cooking. So I will do that off camera really quickly just to get it done. So I'm able to do 4 cups at a time in my food processor. So yeah, I just hit the button and let it rip, and here we are. So there are a little bit of chunkies inside, which is fine. You're gonna want a little bit of consistency with your jam. You don't want it to a full puree, otherwise it'll just be like applesauce. So I'm gonna transfer this to the pot now and do the other 4 cups. So for the rest of this recipe, you're gonna need 2 boxes of pectin. In this case, I'm using Cerdo, some cinnamon, nutmeg, lemon juice, and 6 cups of sugar. So once you've got your blueberries into your pot, you're gonna add everything else. So we're going to go with 6 cups of sugar. Put that in there. And maybe just stir that around a bit. And then once we've done that, we will add our other ingredients. Now we are doing 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of your ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Half a teaspoon in there. So now we're just going to stir this all around. So everything's in here. And once it's all combined, we are going to turn this up to a high heat and let this get to a full rolling boil. And you're gonna wanna stir constantly. This way nothing sticks to the bottom or burns. So now that this is semi-mixed up here, we're gonna turn this up. Now that we've reached a rolling boil, we're going to add our 2 pouches of pectin. And then once you've added this, you're going to return it back to a boil and let it boil for 1 minute. So now we are going to funnel our jam into our jars. I'm using 250 milliliter jam jars. And you're going to get it to about 1/4 inch headspace, which I usually follow this line. And you can use a funnel of any sorts and a ladle of any sorts. And let's get her down here. And then you take a damp paper towel or cloth. Make sure to wipe the rim for any residue. And you want to grab a lid. Place it on your jar, and be careful, everything is hot. The jam is hot, the jar is hot, the lid's hot. And we're going to put on your bin. Now we're going to put our jam into our water bath of water, and you're going to boil it for 10 minutes and let it process for 10 minutes. So once it's done processing in the water, we are going to take them out, and that's it for blueberry jam. It's that easy. Join us next time when we make some cucumber relish. Thanks for watching. Bye.